Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy out of beef stock. We'll start by gathering our basic ingredients, then move on to creating a simple roux. This foundational step is key to a smooth, lump-free gravy. You'll learn how to combine everything for a rich, flavorful sauce that perfectly complements any meal. Get ready to elevate your cooking with this essential technique. The roux is the secret to a thick, velvety gravy. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth paste. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it turns a light golden brown. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and builds a flavorful base. Now it's time to transform your roux into gravy. Slowly, and while continuously whisking, pour in 2 cups of warm beef stock. The warmth of the stock helps prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir, and watch as it begins to thicken. Keep cooking until your gravy reaches the perfect consistency, whether you prefer it slightly thinner or wonderfully rich and thick. With your gravy at the ideal thickness, it's time for the final touches. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of savory depth, consider adding a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Give it a final stir, then serve your homemade beef stock gravy hot over mashed potatoes, roasts, or anything that needs a delicious boost. Don't forget to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.